PSA for kids today. Today's episode, passwords.
Ahoy, me hearties! It's your mate Captain Clickbait here to tell ye a tale about something sneaky and serious, stealing passwords. What's a password, you ask? A password be like a secret key. It opens treasure chests like games, email, and websites just for you. But if someone else takes your password, they could get into your stuff. Yikes! Some sneaky folks try to trick you into giving your password. They might say things like, click this to win a prize, or type your password here. It's safe, I promise. But don't be fooled, mateys. What should you do? Glad ye asked. Here's me password pirate code. Never tell your password, not even to your best mate. Only share it with a grown-up you trust, like a parent or teacher. Make it tricky, not your name, pet, or birthday. Mix it up with letters, numbers, and even symbols. If someone asks for your password, say no and tell a grown-up right away. Real pirates keep their treasure locked up tight, and that includes your accounts, games, and photos. Now off ye go, and remember, a good pirate guards their secrets like gold.